Welcome back. Margao city is partially under surveillance. CCTV cameras have been installed at 4 strategic locations in the city. This is one of the steps by the South Goa Collectorate as a solution to solve traffic congestion in the commercial city and trace lawbreakers.
After a report of several traffic-related incidents in Madgaon, the authorities have taken firm steps for surveillance and to monitor the activities through modern technology. CCTV cameras have been installed in 4 major places in the city. Cameras are installed at Holy Spirit Church Junction, Madgaon Collectorate and the Madgaon Municipality. This is a pilot project of the South Goa Collectorate. System will be installed across the city once it is approved by the state government.
CC camera technology is one of the technology which improve the traffic system. Here we make public aware that you are in the camera watch. Whatever person make the violation of the traffic rule, without stopping by the police person, he will get a challan in his home. So on the pilot basis, the test basis, we have started from the Holy Spirit Junction to Madgaon Municipal Council.
Naveli MLA Avartano Futado and Fatoda MLA Vijay Sardesai has welcomed the move.
This is something very nice which has been started, and I think there will be a control over traffic congestion, and it will help in lots of ways.
It should cover the whole constituency because there are various other bottlenecks which are not being seen now. There is some improvement which could be thought of for in case of speed being monitored, in case of more focus on people driving with the mobile on. This type of things can be value addition for the facility, but I think there are people who are experts in that who have to put their mind on this.
SP Arvind Gaus also feels that this system will help Goa to trace the lawbreakers.
Care will be taken to survey and see which all vehicles pass, which all vehicles and cross at particular relevant time, and who was driving the vehicle. Because he says that even the face can be captured. If the face is captured, it will really help police in seeing who was driving the vehicle at that particular time.
A reporter from Madgaon, Savio Dias.
Now news on sports. The Tulani National Bridge Summer Championships is reaching its exciting finale. From around 4 Goans participating throughout the spectrum of the nationals, Kamath has done exceptionally well amongst 84 participating teams and finished 3rd. The championship is organized by the Goa Bridge Association under the auspices of Sports Authority of Goa and Bridge Federation of India.
We had about 84 teams participating. Last year it was only about very less people were participating, but in Goa there is a overwhelming responsibility there. People have come from Assam, Bengal and all this place, including the Delhi. So out of 84 there are 2 sections were there. One is silver, one is gold. So gold about 38 people, remaining all people are playing in the silver. Out of that silver we selected 16 teams. And 16 teams from the gold, 16 teams from the silver. And yesterday we played the one more hand. That is meant for the Goa people. Goa, this thing, we arranged for that. Because other people who are not qualified for the 16 teams from the gold as well as silver, they played the match point pairs event. In that match pair events, I am very happy to announce that Mr. Suresh Kamath, playing with Mr. Aligappan, they stood 3rd. Out of almost about so many participations, about 84 tables, means about 160 people were playing in that pairs. It is very creditable achievement by our Goan individual, that is Suresh Kamath.
And overall in the gold and silver right now, who is leading?
Overall in it is match is going on, but we can't expect now because it is going on like that. Only in the evening we'll come to know. So at this juncture, who are leading, sir? Kolkata team and Poddar developers, they are playing, and Dharmapur and Sri Radhe teams are playing. So at this moment the teams are going on. The overall is 79 and 43, 79-49.
A sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari from Talegaon.
Ramesh Tawadkar can make an instant impact in his career as a sports minister if he can revive the state honour Bakshi Bahadur Jivbadada Kerkar Award. This award was given regularly for outstanding sportspersons and sports organizer annually. However, the process came to an abrupt end around 8 years back. The award needs to be immediately restarted with some necessary upgradation like raising the prize money from 25,000 rupees.
State players and organizers of various sports run under the banner of Sports Authority of Goa need motivation to better their performances. Jivbadada Kerkar Award was a prestigious state award given to outstanding sportspersons and organizers to recognize the efforts and sacrifices made by them in enhancing their performances to achieve their goal. The manner in which the government stopped giving the award has been shocking to say the least. For many years now, sports enthusiasts and administrators from state sports bodies have tried their best to get the authorities to restart the award. However, nothing has happened. But Prudent has learned that the Kerkar Award is indeed undergoing some changes on paper before it becomes a reality once again. Recently, veteran boxing administrator Leni Degama requested Sports Minister Ramesh Tawadkar to take up the matter.
Jivbadada Kerkar Award ये खूप वर्सां जाली बंद जाल्लो आसा. आतां दुसरे हे पयशे जाल्यार काला एकेडमीचे कितले अवॉर्ड आसता पण आमच्या स्पोर्ट्समॅनांक कांयच अवॉर्ड्स ना. हे Jivbadada Kerkar Award पोत्तून कॉमेस केल्ले बरो.
Tawadkar has so far shown that he is dedicated to the cause of sports in the state and will make an instant impact if he gets the officers to finish the paperwork as soon as possible to get the award out again. With Lusophonia Games and National Games coming up in the near future, Goan sportsperson particularly need all the motivation on offer to feel on top of their game. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Don't worry if you have missed this bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in, or you can also catch latest updates on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.